Now we're moving on to extensive exercises question 2. Now it says that 5 teams, A, B, C, D, E, are competing in a single round robin tournament. And in each game, the winner gets 2 points, the loser gets none, and each of the players got 1 point for a tie. At the end of the tournament, A and E both got 7 points. B and C both got 1 point. So what is the total score of Team D? So now let's see. First of all, we know that altogether for 5 teams, and it's going to be a single round robin tournament, there will be 5 times 4 divided by 2, which is 10 games altogether, right? That's because each of the teams is going to play the other 4 teams, but each game is involving 2 teams. So I'm having 5 times 4 and divide that by 2 to have the number of games. All right? So, in 10 games, every game is going to give us 2 points in total because if it is a win-lose scenario, that's going to be 2 adding 0, which is 2 points, right? And if it is a draw scenario or a tie scenario, it's going to be 1 adding 1, which is also 2 points because each team is going to get 1 point, right? So in 10 games, there should be 10 times 2, which is 20 points in total. So the total is going to be 20 points. Now we can see that A and E both got 7 points, B and C both got 1 point, which means that D is going to get 20, take away 7 times 2, take away 1 times 2, and that's equal to 4 points. All right, now, so we can try to see how it's like for how's the outcome for D. So first of all, A and E both got 7 points, which means that if they are playing 4 games and they get 7 points, it's going to be 3 wins and 1 draw for both of them, which means that they are winning 3 of the teams and drawing to 1 team only, where B and C has both got 1 point, which means that they are having 3 losses and 1 draw each. All right, so now we can just try to imagine what's going to happen if there are the 5 of them. So let's draw A, B, C, D, and E. So first of all, if A and E both have 3 wins and 1 draw, it means that, well, definitely they can't have any losers, right? So it means that A is winning the other 3 teams apart from E, and E is winning the other 3 teams apart from A, which means that the draw is between themselves, like the tie is between themselves, and A is winning over the other 3 teams, where E is also winning over the other 3 teams. All right? And now, as for B and C, they both got 1 point only, which means that they are losing to all other teams, and they have no wins, just a draw, which means that the draw must also be between them. Otherwise, B will be winning C or C will be winning B, right? So, that's how it works. And it means that D is winning B and C. So the outcomes of these games is going to be A and E winning over D, where D winning over B and C. So there's going to be 2 wins and 2 loses with no draw. Okay, that's what's going to be happening for D.